Yesterday's rainstorm passed us, went over the lake. Right now we're getting a bit of sprinkles here. I haven't packed up yet. It would suck if it started raining hard while I was in the middle of packing up, but once I'm on my bike, it'd be fine. Who uses this bus stop? Y'all see that? Maybe not. I think that's where my next water supply is. It's funny, I was super worried about water along this stretch once I left the lake and getting to Almaty, and so I made sure to plan it out well of like when I would have water. And it's raining. It's cool. It was a lot hotter near Karaganda than it is here, obviously because of the rain and the overcast and all that. But hey, I'm not complaining. Не открыто. Совсем или когда открывается? Вот там. Понял.
Вон туда пойдете, сзади дома.
Спасибо. Puppy. Made it to a small little cafe. Gonna eat some food now. Well, that outhouse experience was magical. Round 2, baby. Round 2. I've discovered that the pain that I feel in the morning with my legs, it's really hard to get going. And yesterday I kind of thought there was something wrong. What I think I need to do is eat a good meal or eat some good food. And then I kind of have to like endure a lot of pain for like 30 minutes while I'm pushing through a lot of stuff, going up hills, pushing myself. And then after that, my muscles are kind of back into it and used to the pain again. But first thing in the morning, it's pretty tough. Hey look, it's some kind of cell tower. Yay! Hi, beautiful cow. Hi, cow. Hi, little cow. Hi, little cow. As usual, Mikey likey the asphalt. Not sure how long it'll last, but we'll enjoy it while it does. Suckers over here on the left have to do the shitty road. I wonder if this is like the road now. I know that's very wishful thinking, but I mean, maybe, right? Sick of the horse videos yet? I've got some horses that are really close to this road right here. Hey, horsies. Yeah, you're pretty, huh? I was just peeing off to the side of the road, minding my own business, when what did I see? Y'all see it? See it yet? Going in super blurry. Camels. Very far away, but you can see them. Made it to another little restaurant. Today is the day of restaurants. Pretty nice. So I'm having something that I don't know what it is. Chorpa with meat and potatoes. I mainly just like to sit down and drink some stuff. I got a little soda drink here. No wonder no one tries to rob me. Looks like a homeless guy's stuff right here. Look at all that weird stuff. I guess it's kind of the soup stuff that I had yesterday, or this morning. Okay, I also got some barbecued lamb. Co? Откуда? Я начал в Астане. I saw these guys all over the place trying to cross the street. What's going on, man? Why you on a mad dash? Those guys, he's just like booking it. There are a ton of them trying to cross the street. Alrighty, guys. I need to get another hour and a half of biking in. Took a couple ibuprofen. Hopefully that helps my bum, which is currently in pain. Voila. Ignore the trash. Voila. I wanted to keep going, but I just didn't have it in me. So I decided this is the spot where I'm right next to this big mountain. There's a bit of a little cove right there. The road is just on the other side of this. And we have this little lump right here. I did a 215 kilometer day. I did a 161 kilometer day. So I could definitely hit 164 and get to Almaty tomorrow. I need to be cool with the fact that maybe I won't. And that's cool, because then it's Sunday right now, I think. And you know, if I get there Tuesday early afternoon, doesn't really matter that much, does it?